Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. I wanted to show you something that I got in the mail. I have partnered today with a company called New Craft Day. And if you go to www.newcraftday, and I will put the link down below in the description box, and they're a company that sells craft items, specifically cross-stitch kits and diamond art type kits. I'm not sure if diamond art is well, it says diamond painting kits on the thing. So I guess that's some, I wasn't sure if diamond art was a brand or not. So diamond painting kits. And let me tell you, they had thousands of kits on their site. Anything you can imagine they've got on their site. And they offered me the opportunity to pick a couple of kits to show you guys. So this is sponsored 100% by them, and that's New Craft Day has supplied me 100% with these kits. And so they allowed me to go in and pick out a couple kits so I can show you, and I chose one cross stitch kit and two diamond art kits, and I wanted to show you how they came in. I was able to just wander through, and you can sort by put in a subject and it comes up, and you know, they had it sorted out by holidays. You could pick by animals, you could pick by dogs, that kind of thing. And I, as you know, am decorating my new house by country design, cowboys, things like that. So I went in and I chose cross stitch, and this is one of the designs that came up. Can you see that? It's a set of boots with some flowers. Having a hard time with that glare. There you go. And this is called, what is this called? It's called chamomile. And this particular kit is 33 by 33 centimeters. And if we divide that, I know it's not exactly right, but I have figured out over time that if you divide centimeters by 2.5 divided by 2.5, that gives you roughly 13 by 13. So that's going to be a nice size. And when you get these kits, it comes with the fabric, the thread, the needle, and the instructions. And I've gotten kits like this before, and I don't want to, you know what? I don't mind opening this one because I know I'm going to be making this one. I should have had a pair of scissors right here by me. So this comes in, oh, look at that. It comes in a resealable kit, and it has colored instructions, really nicely done colored instructions. This is nice, heavy, really nice, heavy paper. Really nice, heavy paper. Nicely printed instructions. That is really good. It's got all of your colors right here. All your colors right here with the matching symbol that goes with it. Oh, and it's even got, you can see through this, so you can even see what you've got going on here. So if you, like me, have multiple things going on at the same time, you can see through it and see which project this is. They have a color card with all of the colors already separated out onto it. That is a nice feature, let me tell you. That is a nice feature. There's a couple of needles. Wow, that's a very nice feature. It's got the number, the color already marked on there. And then on the fabric itself, it's printed with the color. And then down on the bottom, it has the color, the symbol, and the number marked on it. So, I mean, they did everything except do the actual cross stitching for you on this thing. So these are very, very well done. And extremely inexpensive. What they did not do was have the pricing on this for me. But I do know that I got all 3 of these for about $20. And they have kits on their site. You can get stuff for less than $5 very easily. And then if you get a diamond art kit, it's the same thing. It comes with everything you could possibly need. They come in the little plastic tube, and it has, and I'll tell you a trick. These things always come rolled up. Oh wow, look how pretty this is. Again, for my kitchen, I got chickens. Isn't that cute? Fresh eggs. Farmer's market. I love that. That is going to be so cute when it's done. It's going to be so cute. And I was wondering when I got this, if it was going to have all of the background, and it does. Every single one of these backgrounds will have one of the little crystals on it. This is going to be fun. And it does the same thing. It's got all of your colors and all of your letters. So with the diamond art, every one of these letters is a corresponding one of the colors of the, let's see here. We do a great job on these things. This has a lot of nice colors too. So there's the packet, and also all of your colors are. Remember we used to get those little candies when we were a kid, and it came in packets like this? How fun is this? So there's all your different colors are in the packets, and each one has a number associated with it. And then you get the little tray, and you pour the drill. These are called drills. These are called drills. And you pour the drills into the little tray. And this is your sticky stuff. And you hold your little pin, and you put the little pin, and you tap it on the sticky thing, and then you pick up your drills, and you put it on there, and you doop, 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 doop. And that's all there is to it. And you end up making this beautiful, beautiful picture. I enjoy doing this. It does take up a little bit of space. You got to be able to set this out somewhere where the kids and the dogs and the cats aren't going to knock it over. But one of the things I enjoy about it is it's kind of mindless, a little bit. It's a little bit mindless. It's easy to do. You know, as long as you can see where your numbers go. For the most part, if you make a little mistake and you put one of your little things in the wrong spot, it's not the end of the world. And you can move them if you need to. So, it comes with everything you need in the little package. I'm just wondering, I'll bet you, I bet. No. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I was just wondering if I could look it up real quick and find, but it's not going to take me there fast enough. Not fast enough for the video. But like I said, I'm going to put the link below to the website and to all of the, let's see, from New Craft Day. New Craft Day. New Craft Day. Here we go. No. And there's thousands of them. And they usually have They usually have specials on there. They usually have deals where, you know, you buy a certain amount, then you get some free, and you can pick out whatever you want. They have Christmas things, they have Easter things, they have flowers, they have landscapes, they have just anything you can imagine. They're going to have it there. Very, very quick shipping. I had a problem because when I put in my information, I left one of the things blank, and so we had some back and forth with emails, and they contacted me, but I didn't see my email got put in my junk email, so it took a little bit of time for us to get the information back and forth. And then in the meantime, I had changed my PO box from my old one to my new one. So it took a little bit of rigmarole for me to get my order, but it was everything on my end. And they still kept in contact with me trying to get it straightened out. It didn't get dumped in the bin. So they were very, very accommodating with me in getting this order to me. So I highly recommend them for that. The product is exactly what I ordered. There was no issues. And in fact, in between the time I had ordered and we got everything straightened out, something had ended up out of stock. They let me know, and I picked an alternative product. And in fact, the alternative product that I picked was this chicken thing. And I'm so glad, because I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this. This is going to be so cute. And it's also the kind of thing that I think I can set out on the table, and I can work on it for a little bit. Morgan can work on it for a little bit, and it's a fun thing. The littles can do it. I've had, with the diamond art painting, I've had as small as my 8-year-old grandson work on them, and everybody just really, really enjoys it. So absolutely give these guys a try. New Craft Day, and I'll put all of the details down below in the description box, and there'll be a link to not only their website, but to these specific items. This and the chamomile, that's better without the cover on it. And then the other item that I got, it's beautiful. I'll go ahead and take it out of the wrapper here and show you. It is so pretty. It is a Christmas design. And again, I was kind of wondering how this was going to look. And it's the whole background, and it's a Christmas. Isn't that beautiful? A Christmas tree all lit up. So pretty. So pretty. And after these have been wrapped up like this, I'll give you a little trick. Unfold it and put it under your mattress for a couple days. It'll be flat as a pancake. Not a problem. I've done that lots of times. And you get the whole little kit and everything every time you buy one of these. So it's kind of nice to have 2 or 3 of them, to have a few of the different colors. So when you're working on something where you've got like this tree where you've got lots of different colors in the same area, then you can have several of the colors out at the same time. So I'm very pleased with this. Their prices are extremely reasonable, and the shipping got here, would have been quick if I'd have got the information on my order correctly, but their customer service was fabulous. It is a product of China, and you know, some people have issues with that, so I'll just put that right out there. But I have been very pleased with everything, so I hope you'll give them a try. Thank you so very much for your time, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.